Listen, I can't lie to you guys. The only reason I'm into learning strategies is because I want to make money passively while I sleep. And that's why I created this trading bot. As you can see here, if I start this up, you will see that it is automatically going to place the market buy order. I'm just doing this for example. Places the market buy order, places the limit order, and it also places a stop loss for you. So you guys can see this is all live. If I refresh it, it's not a joke. Yeah, as you can see, I'm not playing around. I can take strategies like the one that you're about to see and implement it on a bot. So if you guys are interested in learning more about that, we got a link down in the description box. You guys can go ahead and follow the Telegram or Discord with links to sign up for copying the trades of this bot. And what we'll do also, so the rules are right here, the bot sign up rules for Discord, and then on Telegram, it's the pinned comment that'll teach you how to get involved with that. And if you watch all the way to the very end of the video, I'll show you guys exactly what this bot looks like and go over all of that stuff. And so let's get into the video. All right, you guys know how I do on this channel. I go over strategies that I have found and I back test them myself over 200 times to see if it's true or not. This is supposed to be a scalping strategy on the 1, 5, and 15-minute time frame that can be used on crypto, forex, stock market, all that other fun stuff. So if you guys want to help support this channel grow, watch the video all the way to the end because YouTube really cares about average view duration, and that's how they push out the videos. So make sure you guys just watch it all the way through to the end, even if you just leave it on in the background or something like that. And so yeah, let's get started. All right, so when looking for a buy order, we're looking for the following to happen. We're looking for the price to be above the EMA. Then we have to have this buy signal flash right here. And then we have to be below the 50 line on the RSI. And then once all of that happens, we'll go ahead and place our trade at the candle close right here. We'll put our stop loss at the low, and we'll be aiming for 1.5 to 1 risk to reward. So we'll put that at 1.5, and we will move ourselves over. And here you see that this would have been a very successful trade. Okay, and so for the sell side of things, you need the price to be below the EMA. You need to have the sell signal flash, and you also need the RSI to be above the midpoint. So when buying, it has to need to be below. When selling, you need to be above. We see that we are matched here. So we'll go ahead, click this, we'll go ahead and put our stop loss at the most recent high. And we will go down 1.5 to 1 risk to reward. And as you guys can see here, this would have been a successful trade. Okay, and as you guys can see, the results are in. We started the account out with $1,000, and we did a 1.5 to 1 risk to reward, 1% risk per trade. And we have an ending balance of $2,900. And so you can see the win rates and wins and losses are all blurred out. So if you guys want to see that, again, make sure, another incentive to watch all the way through to the video. That way, again, you know, you're helping the YouTube algorithm know that people want to watch this video. It really helps grow the channel. So I appreciate that. So we have 195% P&L gains. And you guys can see here by the P&L graph, this is definitely something that it looks like you would want to learn how to trade yourself. So if you guys want this free backtesting CSV file or whatever you want to call it, then just jump into the Discord or the Telegram and just message me and say, hey, can you send this to me? And I'll do it for free. All right, let's go ahead and add indicator number 1. So we'll go up to the indicators and we're going to type in Tony UX, and then you'll want to grab this one right here by Tux. You'll click on it, and then what we will do is we will go ahead and change up a little bit of the style here. So we're going to go over to the style, and we're going to change this EMA, and we're going to change it to a lighter blue, so that way we can see it. I'm sorry, an orange. I'm sorry, that was orange actually. And we are going to increase the opacity to 100. So that way we can see it, and then we'll head over to the inputs tab to change the length. So again, if you guys want to be a part of the copy trading or hedge fund and make some profits like the one that you're seeing right here or even right here, then again, go down below in the description box, join the Telegram and Discord. The information on how to sign up for the bot is here in Discord, and also in Telegram, it is the pinned comment right here. And so now we'll go ahead and change the length to 25, and we will hit enter on that. and we'll hit OK. All right, next we'll go ahead and add the EMA. So we'll go here, type in EMA, and we'll select moving average exponential. And then we'll go to the settings. We'll go to the style, and we are going to change the color of this to yellow, and we'll thicken up the line. And then we'll go to the inputs, and we will change this to 327. Hit enter, and we'll hit OK on that. And then we'll go ahead and add the last indicator, which is going to be the RSI. So you type in RSI, you'll select relative strength index. And then here, we're going to change up the style a little bit. So go to the style, and we'll just get rid of this RSI based MA because we don't need that. And then now we'll go over to the inputs, and we're going to change the RSI length. So this bot is completely coded in Python. So we're always looking for more developers that want to join in and free their lives through automated trading. And so, again, you'll go down to the Discord and go down to the Telegram. We'll be doing live videos of me coding. And if you guys want to learn, all you have to do is just want to learn. We will learn together. You don't have to be good. And if you already are good, let's learn together. And if you, like I said, if you want to learn, I'll give you guys the resources to learn how to code Python. And yeah, let's start to create some amazing strategies that can bring in some very seriously amazing results together. Okay, and for this, we'll go ahead and change the RSI length to 18. We'll go ahead and press enter on that, and then we'll hit OK. All right, it is now time to explain the trading bot. So we'll go ahead and start it here. And just, again, this is in Python. So make sure that you guys, if you guys want to learn about Python, want to learn how to create your own strategies, that you guys just join the Discord and Telegram. And so as you can see here, it definitely works. And so the way this bot is set up is you can come in here and tell it what your stop loss type, how you want to enter, you want to select a specific indicator, all types of different things, your risk to reward, how much you want to risk, all of that stuff. And then what you do is you come over here after you have set your strategy up, and you use the strategy optimizer. So that way you can come in here and tell it, I want to test strategy settings, and I want to test a 1 risk to reward all the way up to a 2 risk to reward, and I want you to do it in the steps of 0.25. And so what that'll do is test 1.25 risk to reward, 1.5 risk to reward, 1.75, and 2 risk to reward. And so that way you can figure out which settings are the best. And you can come down here and change up the position size. You can change up all of the different things here, like stop loss percentages, if you want to test 1%, 2%, 3%. And then when you run it, that's how you get this queue here that has tons and tons and tons of different things that it's looking to test. So we have 147,000 things that we need to test. And then when that happens, when they get tested, they get put over in the back testing. And then here you can see the results. We can sort by gains. Here, this one has over 800 trades because it's over 2 years period of time, 800 trades, 1,000 trades. So most people on YouTube are doing 100. I just did 200. This thing is doing tons and tons and tons of different settings at 600, 700, 500. So there's like a million different entries that we've done here, over 452 results. So you can see sometimes it finds things that you would have lost almost all of your money. And then here's some settings that you would have gained a lot of money. So yeah, so again, just go down below, join the Telegram, join the Discord. To sign up for the actual it's the bot sign up rules are here in the Discord, and in the Telegram it's the pinned comment. And also again, we are always looking for more people who want to learn how to develop and create strategies, or who already know Python and who want to join in. So yeah, join us for that. We'll be doing some live coding sessions and different things like that to find strategies. And so yeah, let's move on to the next part of the video. So for the win rate, again, you can see here it is 62%. And I know that it was supposed to be like 97, 96%, whatever they were saying, but that's usually never the case. And so we have a wins of 124 wins over 72 losses. That's over 200 trades. And yeah, if you guys wanted the game, well, obviously backtest is first, but if we just increased our risk per trade to like 2%, then that would have been like 741% gains if we did a 2% risk based off of the wins and losses that I put in the this column over here. So yeah, I would say test this out and join the Discord, join the Telegram, and let's do it.